Hi, Elaine here with WTI. Are you low-key obsessed with flowers like I am? Then you are going to love this OLEBAND AirPod Pro case cover. It is so cute. They have over 10 different designs in flowers, and they have over 30 designs of all different types. The variety is endless. To put your case cover on is so simple, and I found a neat and easy way to take mine off. What I love about this case cover is the keychain holder. It attaches firmly to my bag. No more searching for my AirPods anymore. It's fashionable and definitely very important to keep your valuables covered and safe. So if you're looking for a classy AirPod case cover, then try OLEBAND. They are amazing, so many different designs. I love mine, I highly recommend it, and that's just my point of view.